Let us now wire up the lights. You have the 15 amp. You connect the screw here. I'm going to use red for my live. And this goes through the conduit. Alright. Now, let's wire up L1. This live wire will come down into the 4-way panel. Goes down to the common screw. Oh, that's not the common screw. That's the earth screw. It goes down to the common screw. Alright? Let me redraw that. Alright. So it goes down to the common screw. You also have to earth this. Alright? Now this same earth connection, you have a 1.5 green earth coming down. You have to earth the the octagonal box here. There's no earthing for this 4-way junction box because it's plastic. We'll continue down through the conduit, and you connect this earth wire to the earth screw and also to the handy box earth screw. So you earth both the plug and the handy box. Alright? So that's earthing. Now the common screws, we're going to use yellow. You have the traveler, I mean not common, I said common, it's travelers. So the traveler now connect to one side of the intermediate switch. Notice these travelers are side by side, and you run up through the conduit and connect to the other side of this intermediate switch. Remember, do not connect these two travelers to this and this. No up and down business. These two travelers are side by side. This must be connected side by side. If you connect this to this screw and this to down here below it, it's not going to work properly. Alright? And connect this left to this left, this right to this right. It could be connected down here too, you know. No problem. Could work just the same. But left and right, connected left and right. After that, you have these other travelers, but before that, the earth wire. Alright? This earth wire you could connect another green here and bring this down to the earth screw. The earth screw is over this side. Let me draw it over this side. Alright? So the earth screw of the intermediate switch and to the handy box earth screw. Alright? You also have another piece of earth wire coming down. Let me draw it again. Joint here, and it comes down and earth the plug and also the handy box. Both the plug and handy box must be earthed. Alright. Now, as for the travelers, remember, traveler left, traveler left, traveler right to traveler right. You could connect this to the left to left, right to right. You could connect right to left, left to right. Same, the same operation. It will work just the same. But you must connect side by side traveler screw to side by side traveler screw. I have to emphasize that, as I've seen persons make the mistake of connecting the side by side traveler screw to the up and down of their intermediate switch travelers. Alright, now this traveler screw, you go up, back through the conduit, go down, side. This other traveler screw goes up to the conduit and the other side here. Alright? So it is side to side connected to side to side. Side to side connected to side to side. Alright? Now, this common screw let me draw the common as red. Alright? This common screw, you connect the common wire to it and it goes up. And is connected to the live of the bulb and stops. It doesn't go anywhere else. It was connected to the live of the bulb. Alright? Now, let's look at the neutral of the bulb. The neutral wire from the bulb. I make it blue. This neutral wire goes to the neutral bar. Alright? Now, that is going to be for the 3 switches controlling L1, this bulb. So remember, just trace this, the flow of electricity in your mind. Right? Go through what you might call the power wire. Goes down to the common screw, then to the traveler screw, side by side to the intermediate switch, side by side common screw to the side by side of this intermediate switch, and then this common goes to the bulb, the live of the bulb, and then after that the neutral of the bulb goes back to the neutral bar here. So that's the wiring of the 3 switches, the 2 3-way and the intermediate controlling that bulb there.